Welcome to the Cyber Update, Monday, August 7th, 2023. Bringing you the latest in the world of cyber threats and security news. Today's top story: a devastating ransomware attack targeting the US healthcare system has led to unprecedented disruptions. Emergency rooms in several states had to shut down, and ambulances were redirected, impacting countless patients. The cyber onslaught began at facilities operated by Prospect Medical Holdings. If you're not familiar, they're a prominent healthcare firm based out of California, with extensions in states like Texas, Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Pennsylvania. In a swift response, the company shut down its systems and sought the expertise of third-party cybersecurity specialists. But here's what's more alarming: ransomware is no longer just an IT problem, it's a real-world, physical threat. These cyber attacks, where hackers hold vital data hostage, have seen a dramatic rise globally. The US, unfortunately, hasn't been spared. We're seeing our educational institutions, local governments, hospitals, and even federal agencies come under threat. To give you some numbers to chew on, global ransomware payments have skyrocketed to $450 million in just the first half of this year. This is almost as much as the entire year of 2022, where payments were estimated to be just under $500 million. It's not just Prospect Medical Holdings bearing the brunt. Facilities in Pennsylvania and California are also reeling from the cyber blow. The FBI, alongside other law enforcement agencies, is knee-deep in the ongoing investigation. In times like these, the need for robust cybersecurity measures has never been more evident. But as we wait for updates, let's remember to stay vigilant and stay safe, both online and off. Thank you for tuning into the Cyber Update this Monday. If you found this episode insightful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Keep those digital doors locked, and we'll catch you in the next episode.